Hello, everybody. Hi. Hindi ko pa man kayo nakadaupang palad this evening. Deep inside me, I am really very excited to see all of you. In behalf of 425, nagpapasalamat kami sa mga sparks that started this fire of being one batch, one spirit. We would like to thank Mr. Raul, Rod, a round of applause for them, Mel, Froilan, and to those who I wouldn't be able to mention, pero you know what you did for the success of this grand reunion. But I know everybody's wishing for a grander second reunion, right? So those who we did not find yet, yung hindi pa natin sila naka-network, alam mo talaga, pasensya na po ako, I'm not a computer person, ha? I don't always sit in front of a computer that long, so talagang sandali lang. Pero sana po, each of us will really find time to look for the next, the classmate who seated beside us in our classes. So, the second grander reunion of Batch 83 will come true. I hope it will be what? Of course, not 27 years after today. I hope it wouldn't be 27 years after. Because it's really nice seeing each and every one of you after 27 years. Walang masyado pong pinagbago. Mga pogit magaganda pa rin kayo. Sa totoo lang, yun nga lang yung iba, nag-hair transplant yata. Hindi. Actually, sa totoo, 27 years ago, I know you would agree with me, we became better persons, right? After 27 years. And we produced beautiful children, right? And that's because we are all graduates of MCU High School Batch 83, right? Kanino pa ba naman tayo magmamana kundi kay Miss Estrada at saka kay Mrs. Batak at kay Mrs. Naanep. Okay? They were all our inspirations. Wala tayong choice. Being graduates of MCU, we do not have choice but become better persons. Better than who we are when we graduated 27 years ago. Right? Again po, I used to speak long. 1 hour without interruption. Okay? But I wouldn't do that to you. Baka hindi nyo na ako imbitahin for the second grand reunion. But I would like to reiterate once again, we are all very happy seeing you all. Malas nung hindi umattend. Yeah, right?
Yes.
Yeah, they missed this exciting occasion. Thank you very much for once again making us feel that we're one big whole family, and we will always look forward coming back to MCU for another grand reunion. Thank you again, and very happy to see you all.
Thank you, Miss Lay.